going to show you how to change the needle on this LS14 machine. It's called Brother LS14. So you can see I've just broke the needle there. So all you do is you got a little key. Just put it on there and unscrew it. So the needle has come off now. So yes. So I'm just going to get a new needle now. So I've taken the needle. Now what you have to do, it's called, there is like two sides on the needle. So you've got a flat surface there and you got a little round surface there. So all you do now, the flat surface has to be facing the back side. So that's a round, and just the flat, try to put it in. If it's not going, just loosen this a little bit. Just screw this bit in and then use the little key to tighten it up. So as you can see, it's nice and tight. So that's how you change the needle on the LS14 machine. So I'm just going to thread the needle now. Done.